Ever felt like you're leaving money on the table? Like there's a secret world of online selling you're just not tapping into? You see those success stories, the people making a consistent income selling products online, and you think, how are they doing it? Let's face it, finding reliable suppliers is the biggest hurdle for any aspiring online seller. You could spend hours, days, even weeks scouring the internet, only to end up with low-quality products or unreliable partners. It's a frustrating maze, isn't it? Imagine this, you've got a killer product idea, you've built a beautiful online store, and you're ready to launch. But then, bam! You can't find a supplier who offers the products you need at a price that allows you to make a profit. Or worse, you find a supplier, but they're unreliable, shipping late, or sending damaged goods. Your reputation takes a hit, and your business struggles before it even gets off the ground. That's the nightmare scenario most online entrepreneurs fear. And it's a valid one. The online marketplace is saturated, and finding legitimate suppliers is like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where salehoo comes in. Now, you might have heard of salehoo. You might have even dismissed it as just another online directory. But trust me, it's more than that. It's a powerful tool that can dramatically simplify your product sourcing and give you a real edge in the competitive world of e-commerce. Think of salehoo as your shortcut to a network of vetted suppliers, handpicked for their reliability and quality. It's like having a team of experts doing the legwork for you, so you can focus on what you do best, building your brand and selling your products. But how do you actually get started? How do you create a salehoo account and unlock this treasure trove of suppliers? That's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start sourcing products with confidence. First things first, let's head over to the salehoo website. Just type salehoo into your search engine, and you'll find it right at the top. Or you can simply go to salehoo.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prominent button that says, Get Started or Sign Up. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Now, here's where things get interesting. Salehoo offers different membership options, each with its own set of features and benefits. You'll need to choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Take a moment to carefully review the available plans. Consider factors like the number of products you plan to sell, the level of support you need, and your overall budget. Don't rush this step. Choosing the right plan is crucial for your success. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be prompted to create an account. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure you use a secure password that you won't easily forget. After you've filled in your details, you'll need to agree to salehoo's terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through these, so you understand your rights and responsibilities. Now you'll be redirected to the payment page. Salehoo offers various payment options, including credit card and PayPal. Choose your preferred method and enter your payment details. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your login details. You're now a proud member of the salehoo community. Now let's dive into the salehoo dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a wealth of resources and tools to help you find the perfect suppliers for your business. The first thing you'll want to do is familiarize yourself with the supplier directory. This is where you can search for suppliers based on product category, location, and other criteria. Use the search filters to narrow down your search and find suppliers that meet your specific needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keywords and filters to see what results you get. When you find a supplier that interests you, take a moment to review their profile. Pay attention to their product range, shipping policies, and customer reviews. Don't hesitate to contact the supplier directly if you have any questions. Building a good relationship with your suppliers is essential for long-term success. In addition to the supplier directory, salehoo also offers a market research tool that can help you identify trending products and profitable niches. Use this tool to analyze market data and identify opportunities for your business. This can save you time and money by helping you focus on products that are in high demand. Salehoo also provides a community forum where you can connect with other online sellers and get advice from experienced entrepreneurs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and share your experiences. The salehoo community is a valuable resource for learning and growing your business. One of the most important things to remember when using salehoo is to do your due diligence. Even though salehoo vets its suppliers, it's still important to research each supplier thoroughly before placing an order. Check their website, read customer reviews, and contact them directly to ask any questions you may have. Remember, your reputation is on the line. Ensuring you're working with reliable suppliers is crucial for building a successful online business. Another great feature in salehoo is the training section. They have tons of informative articles and videos that can help you learn the ins and outs of online selling. Take advantage of these resources to improve your knowledge and skills. Continuous learning is essential for staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when creating a salehoo account. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing the wrong membership plan. As we discussed earlier, it's crucial to select a plan that meets your specific needs and budget. Another common mistake is not taking the time to research suppliers thoroughly. Don't just pick the first supplier you find. Take the time to compare different options and choose the one that's right for you. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. The salehoo support team is there to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Creating a salehoo account is just the first step. The real work begins when you start sourcing products and building your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.